Hey fam, welcome back to Tari's Lifestyle and Vlog, and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'll be answering the question, does a name change actually affect future visa applications, UK visa applications? So you've made an application in the past with a name, and then you decide to change your name into a different name, and then maybe you're going to renew or reapply for a new kind of visa in the UK. Will this affect your visa application? Does that mean your visa will be refused? Okay, so this is what we're going to be talking about today. But before I go on, my name is Tari, and on this channel we'll talk about UK visas and immigration. We'll talk about life in the UK, how to travel safely and successfully to the UK, and how to navigate through life as an immigrant living in the UK. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then please subscribe, turn on your bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos going forward. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. Does the name change affect future visa application, especially if you're wanting to renew, extend your visa, or if you're applying for a new kind of visa or a different category of visa? Okay, so the answer again is yes or no, depending on certain factors. So we could say yes if you applied for a visa in a previous name and then you've changed your name and you're going to apply for a renewal or an extension and you did not show evidence of the name change. For instance, you applied for a visa using your maiden name like I did, and then you're going to renew your visa maybe in your married name, or you've changed name for one reason or the other and you do not include the evidence of that change of name, then your visa will be refused because the Home Office would not know who that person is and why that person is wanting to renew. Even if they can trace back, there's no connection between your new name and your last name. Therefore, your visa could be refused for that matter. So what do you need to do in order for your name change not to affect your visa application, future visa application? So first of all, you need to include in your application, so you've done an application in the past, you're wanting to renew or extend or even apply for a different visa category, then the first thing you want to make sure you do, apart from your application itself, make sure you include on that application the fact that you've changed name. You want to make sure you include a statement saying that you've actually changed your name and the reason for which you have changed your name. Okay, a statement which could be on the application itself or an extra statement by yourself, handwritten or typed by computer, to say you were this person and you've changed your name to this for this reason. You want to also make sure that you include evidence of your change of name. If you've changed your name by marriage, make sure you include your marriage certificate. If it's a civil partnership, make sure you include your civil partnership certificate. If you change your name by deed poll, make sure you include the deed poll certificate. I think that's what it is. Make sure you include that on with the application. Okay, and if you've changed your name due to adoption, whatever the reason is, make sure you put the certificate or the evidence of that change of name. And again, a statement to say I was this person, now I'm this person, therefore I'm applying with my new name. Okay, your passport, if you're applying with your passport, the passport also needs to be in your new name. So if you're applying for a visa with a new name, your new evidence, your new documents should be in your new name as well. So one of the things people do when they change their name is they apply for a new passport. Okay, so the new passport in their new name. So when you do your application, when you make your application, your new passport, which has your new name, should be included, and that's what will be linked to your new visa application. Okay, so it's really important, and that's exactly what I did. I changed my name at some point. So I came to the UK with my maiden name, and at some point I had to change my name due to marriage. And what I did when I was going to renew my visa was to apply for a new visa extension, including my reason for change of name, including my marriage certificate. I've also applied for a new passport, so I included the passport as well, okay, which all tallies. And I also wrote a statement to say I am this visa, I was formerly this person and now I'm this person, and this is, I've included in this letter this evidence to show that I've changed my name. So it's really important that we do that. If we don't include all this document, then the answer will be yes. If you change your name, then your visa could be refused because there's no link, okay, between your old name and your new name. But if you include all these documents, all this evidence, then the answer will be no. Your visa will not be affected because you have a link this is your old name, this is your new link, and this is the link that actually this is what actually links you to the new name. Okay, I hope this video has been helpful to someone. If it has helped you, then give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.